Welcome back on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. This is the 7th video on Sheikh Ayaz University Shikarpur. Functional Mathematics Section 2 Functional Mathematics will be discussed in this video. So stay connected till the end of this video and subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel for entry test preparation, past papers. So here we go. Question number 16. Next term of 5, 11, 17, 23 is A. 26, B. 27, C. 28, D. 29. So you have to follow the pattern. 5 and 11 difference is 6, 11 and 17 difference is 6, 17 and 23 difference is 6. So now there will be also difference 6. 23 plus 6 it will be 29. So D option is correct in this question. Question number 17. For what value of x 2x minus 10 is equal to 6? A. 2, B. 4, C. 6, D. 8. So you have to put the values. If we put two values, A option 2 into 2 it will be 4, 4 minus 10 it will be minus 6. So A is incorrect option. And now put value 4. B option 2 into 4 it will be 8, 8 minus 10 it will be minus 2. So it is also incorrect. Now put option C, value 6, 2 into 6 it will be 12, 12 minus 2, 10 it will be 2. So 2 is equal to is not equal to 6. So this is also incorrect. Now put the option D, 8. 2 into 8 it will be 16, 16 minus 10 it is equal to 6. 6 and 6. So D option 8 is correct here. Question number 18. X square minus y square is equal to, this is the third formula in mathematics in algebra class 8. Option A, x minus y into x plus y. Option B, x minus y into x minus y. Option C, x plus y into x plus y. So in this this formula is equal to option A, x minus y into x plus y. Now question number 19. Numbers which are divisible by 2 are A. even numbers, B. odd numbers, C. prime numbers, D. none of these. So the correct answer in this question is A. even numbers. Question number 20. If length of each side of a square is 5 meter, then the area will be, so formula for the area of a square is side into side. 5 into 5 it will be 25. So C option is correct here. Question number 21. For what value of x 3x minus 5 is equal to 10? Same formula. Put the value of x from the options. So you have to put the value option C, 5, 3 into 5 it will be 15, 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. So C option is correct in question number 21. Now question number 22. X plus 1 whole square is equal to A. x square plus 1, B. x square plus 2, C. x square plus 2x plus 1. Same formula. Question number 22. Formula number 1, A square, A plus B whole square. So C option is correct in this question. Question number 23. Let A is equal to 0, 1 and B is equal to 1 and 2. Then A union B, you have what you have to do in union. So in union we have to put all the elements of A and B together. So it will be 0, 1 and 2. A option is correct in this question. Question number 24. Product of x minus 3 and x plus 3 is equal to, so you have to multiply both. So you have to multiply x with x plus 3. It will be x square plus 3x. Now minus 3 will be multiplied. Minus 3x plus minus 3x. Minus 3 will be multiplied with x. It will be minus 3x. Minus 3 into plus 3. It will be minus 9. Minus 3x and plus 3x will be deducted. So x square minus 9. C option is correct. Question number 25. A minus B whole square is equal to, it will be A square plus minus 2AB plus B square. Option B is correct in this question. Now question number 26. 20% of 500 is equal to 20% of 100 is equal to 20. Now multiply 20 with 5, it will be 100. So B option is correct in this question. Question number 27. Area of rectangle is 200 meter. If the length of rectangle is 25 meter, then the width of the rectangle is, so the formula of rectangle is length into width. So you have to multiply 200, you have to divide 200 with 25, it will be 8. So 8 option is 8 is the width of rectangle. A option is correct. Question number 28. Average of 5, 8, 12 and 15 is equal to A 10, B 20, C 30, D 40. So you have to add 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, 13 plus 12 is equal to 25, 25 plus 15 is equal to 40. Now divide 40 with 4 because the numbers are 4. So it will be 10. Option A is correct in this question. Question number 29. Age of father is twice the age of his son. If the age of father is 38 years, then what will be the age of his son after 1 year? 38 divided by 2 because it is twice, it will be 19 after 1 year. 19 plus 1, 20. So 20 is the age of son after 1 year. So B option is correct in this question. Question number 30. If the price of 12 eggs is 9, then what will be the price of 4 eggs? 12 eggs, 9, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So the price of 4 eggs will be 3. B option is correct in this question. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. In the upcoming video, I will solve the questions from Information and Communication Technology. Stay connected. Thank you.